Atishi is swearing in ceremony in just 30 minutes from now. The Delhi's new Chief Minister is all set to take oath. Atishi is met with the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal before the oath-taking ceremony. She is to be sworn in as the new Delhi Chief Minister in just some time from now. Going straight across to Amit Bhardwaj for more details on that big story.
From the 6 Flagstaff mark. Well, you know, the movement has started at 6 Flagstaff mark. You have these people, the Council of Ministers who are to take oath leaving from the CM residence for the LG House. What we are given to understand that Saurabh Bhardwaj, Gopal Rai, Imran Hussain, Mukesh Sahlawat, they will be taking oath as Council of Ministers in the Delhi Cabinet, and Atishi is all set to leave from here, from 6 Flagstaff mark for LG House, and that's where she will be taking oath as Delhi Chief Minister, the third women Chief Minister of the national capital, and she will be taking over the office from Arvind Kejriwal. Right before that oath taking, Atishi reached 6 Flagstaff mark, and she's meeting Arvind Kejriwal right now. Along with her, there were, all those MLAs who are supposed to take oath as the Council of Ministers in the national capital, including Saurabh Bhardwaj, Gopal Rai, Imran Hussain, Kailash Gehlot, as well as the new inductee Mukesh Sahlawat. Very important to note out here, this is a very important day, and through security perspective as well, it is an important day, and that is why the security paraphernalia outside the CM house has been increased. You have the Rapid Action Force Jawans who have been deployed on and around, near 6 Flagstaff mark. And what we are given to understand that barely in the next 5 to 10 minutes, you will see carcade of Atishi, who will be taking oath as Delhi Chief Minister at 4:30. Her carcade could be leaving from 6 Flagstaff mark any time from now. And two of the MLAs who are to take oath as cabinet ministers in the national capital, they have already left. Their families also were present here at 6 Flagstaff mark. So it is a very marking moment, because these leaders who will be inducted in the cabinet, as well as Atishi, who will be taking over as the Chief Minister of Delhi, they had a one-to-one meeting with Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party's national convener and the outgoing CM. So right before that oath-taking, important meeting going on, a brief being given to them, after which they will be leaving for LG House, which is barely a kilometer away from here. And right there, you can see the pilot of the CM security is being lined up, which also essentially means that any time from now you will see movement at 6 Flagstaff mark. You will see Atishi, the CM designate, leaving from this particular house for Raj Niwas, where she will be taking oath as Chief Minister of the national capital. Third woman to do so in the national capital. And, as security arrangements are required, the security has been beefed up here. We are given to understand that Atishi's own security protocol will also change the moment she takes oath at 4:30 at Raj Niwas. So a very important moment in the Aam Aadmi Party, also from the perspective that this will be for the first time when Aam Aadmi Party is in power in the national capital, but Arvind Kejriwal will be not heading that government, and things have been put in stack in a way that today you have Atishi and her Council of Ministers all set to take oath at 4:30 at Raj Niwas, and tomorrow you will see Arvind Kejriwal, the national convener of Aam Aadmi Party, going in People's Court. Aam Aadmi Party is holding a rally, a sabha at Jantar Mantar, from where Arvind Kejriwal and his team started the anti-graft Andolan, the movement, and then eventually formed Aam Aadmi Party. So Arvind Kejriwal, after resigning as Delhi Chief Minister, after handing over the charge to Atishi, he will be hitting the streets, and what better than Jantar Mantar? And this particular program is being called as Janata Ki Adalat. So Arvind Kejriwal, as he had said, that he will go for an Agni Pariksha, and that's happening tomorrow. So today you have Atishi taking oath as Delhi Chief Minister at 4:30. Tomorrow you will see the ex-Chief Minister of Delhi, the National national convener of Aam Aadmi Party, going in people's court and addressing the voters of Delhi as well as supporters of Aam Aadmi Party for the first time after resigning as Chief Minister of Delhi. So that is also going to be a very important moment, and Aam Aadmi Party does not has made sure that as far as the narrative is concerned, it should be pretty clear, that this particular shift in charge is temporary, that Arvind Kejriwal is all set to return to the Chief Minister's office after people elect him as a Delhi CM in the next battle, whether it happens in November or February 2025. It is Arvind Kejriwal who is going to lead the next government, which will be led by Aam Aadmi Party if at all they win the election. So the narrative, the Aam Aadmi Party is making sure that there's no change in the narrative, and people do understand that Atishi is being given charge of the Chief Minister's office as a temporary arrangement, and this is quote unquote a sacrifice being made by Arvind Kejriwal in order to make sure that people understand that he has not been involved in any corruption, and that he's seeking an election, a mandate from people of Delhi on his honesty, on the work that he has delivered in the past 10 years. And that is why these two things have been stacked together. Today, 4:30, you have Atishi and her Council of Ministers taking charge, taking oath at Raj Niwas, and tomorrow in the noon, you will have Arvind Kejriwal addressing the Aam Aadmi Party workers, the voters of Delhi, and telling them that he has come in people's court, in Janata Ki Adalat, to seek their mandate. And we are waiting for that moment, when the red signal that you are seeing at Six Flagstaff Mark, this will turn green, and then you will have Atishi accompanied with Gopal Rai, Saurabh Bhardwaj, Imran Hussain. These three ministers we are given to understand, and possibly also Mukesh Sahlawat, who is the new inductee, who is most likely to take over as SC/ST Welfare Minister in the national capital. He will be also leaving along with Atishi, the CM designate of the national capital,
yes,
for the oath taking ceremony.
Okay.
And on the yes.